Hi guys, and welcome back. So again, I'm using this custom planner made by the Happy Planner. I absolutely love it and really highly recommend to check it out. So let's go ahead and get back into planning here. Again, the weeks have been just a little hectic, and so for this week, I just wanted to try something like super cute and easy, and yeah, definitely fun. So, yeah, no, I made these cute little ladybug designs, and I'm gonna try to incorporate some of my shop stickers into this layout. No sticker books, nothing, just all made via Cricut. Should have probably used a cricket instead of a ladybug, but as you can tell with the nails here, I am doing a ladybug theme. So, I did make these stickers a little bit bigger than what I normally would do. Again, the weeks have been really chaotic, so not really that much of a need for journaling areas, so I'm just trying to cover up as much of the page space as possible. And I thought that these four little designs pretty much sum up my week. Just enjoying the simple things with the flower, reading and learning, of course, napping. And the guy on the leaf is just, just navigating his way throughout the week. That pretty much sums up Thursday and Friday. So, let's go ahead and just border this page up. Um, I'm just going to go ahead and use this thin dark red washi here. It may or may not go with the color scheme. I don't know, guys. All I know is, like I said, just something that's super cute. It's easy and simple. Not really putting too much thought into this layout here. Just because, it is a 3-day weekend and I do want to kind of enjoy some of it. I don't want to spend my entire life in the planning room. Okay, so we got that. I'm gonna use like this gold dot washi here once I get the boxes on. So yeah, see, we never get to see these, so I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my sidebar boxes. And yes, it does come with the lines already in it. And I think we're gonna use this green box down here. Definitely a little bit longer than what I expected, but it's okay. It's just going to go right there. And let's go ahead and use this smaller red box. And, it's just going to say something like, focus on or how it went, reflect. Something short is going to go in the label there. And okay. So, I was gonna incorporate gold foil boxes in this, but guys, I think that we can just complete this just with the black, green, and red. Um, just, sticking in ladybug style here. So, I'm sorry, I am answering text messages and everything else during the filming of this. Like I said, it's a very, very busy weekend here. Just trying to keep everything going. So, okay, there we go. Clear page protector sheet there. And what I like to do with this is this helps me build sticker clusters where I can kind of get like a nice visual of what they're going to look like on the page without actually having to put the stickers on the page, um, which then prevents, sticker torture later on down the road here. So let's go ahead and create a journaling area there. And of course, we're going to have to put one of those up here. Going to use one down here. And let's see here. We'll put a square up there. Let's go ahead and put another one of those up here. And see, guys, like, you see what I mean? Like, this is going to be probably one of the quickest layouts I've ever made. Just because, we're keeping it simple, nothing fancy. Let's go ahead and swap those two for space reasons. And again, this is why I used that clear protector sheet, because we all know that would have been on the page. Okay, so we got that, and I still need a black sticker for this corner down here. So that's it. That's all of the stickers I'm going to be using off of those sheets. I'll probably add like quote stickers later on throughout the week. Once I get like a full feel of, the placement and, what's actually going on. There we go. I skipped one. I knew it. Okay. So again, see how you can move this clear protector sheet around and, you kind of get a feel of where this is going. So I need 4 lines down, and that's going to let me put this box on here with 100% confidence. So he is down on the page. This one can snuggie right about there, and of course we'll fit this green box right about here. So there we go, perfect box placement. And let's go ahead and we'll work on that page. So again, I do cover up some of these checklist areas. I don't need them all. Really about 2 or 3 is what I shoot for each day. I try not to overschedule the days. I may switch out the size of that green box. So instead of having the square, I think I'm going to shoot for this smaller one here. Just, space reasons. Okay, so that page is done. I'm going to start with this full-size box here. So we're going to go 3 in over here. And let's see here. There's a lot of green in that photo, so I'm going to put the green in the corner. And we'll put the black box in the middle of them, just kind of separating them. Definitely a different box cluster style that I'm used to, but you know what? We'll figure it out. Okay. Let's see here. Let's start with the red. So we'll place this one right about here. Of course, I try to keep the squares open because that's where the bulk of my writing goes. And again, these could be like, snapshots of the week, favorite things, things to focus on for the next week, gratitude list. The list is endless here. I don't know why I'm trying to put this back on the sheet. I'm just going to toss it. And let's see, what do I got? Just that gold foil washi that I talked about earlier. And what I just do with this is it just helps separate that checklist from all the decoration in the journaling area. Again, it just adds a little bit of color and some pop to the page here. So just quickly put this on. I think I'm going to have it overlap the photos up here. I wasn't sure if I was going to do that, but you know what? It's just going to complete that. And just a little bit here. I may put it on that sidebar box as well, too, because that, black box doesn't really have no decoration. So let's go ahead and add some shimmy over here. Why not? And like I said, do you see how super quick and easy this layout was, guys? So yeah, having the correct style and correct color of boxes really does help with planning, cuts down the time. And again, if you're interested in any of these planner boxes, feel free to check out my Etsy shop. I do have a link down below, and we have reduced prices recently because, inflation is ridiculous. So there you go, guys. That's it. And it's super cute and fun. And again, I want to close out by saying thank you so much for watching. I do greatly appreciate it. And please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to see more Plan With Me's.